In our gospel reading today, there are three characters. One, we have Jesus who cured the blind man. Number two, of course, we have the Lord. And three, we have the sizable crowd. I would like to focus on the crowd in our gospel reading today. We have heard that Bartimaeus, the blind man, shout out, Jesus, Son of David, have pity on me. Bartimaeus, the blind man, shouted because he wanted to call the attention of the Lord so that he will be cured. However, the crowd prevented Bartimaeus. The crowd silenced Bartimaeus. Bartimaeus wanted to be closer to the Lord. However, it was the crowd who prevented, who stopped that Bartimaeus would be closer to Jesus. My dear brothers and sisters, maybe in our lives, we will be identified with the crowd. These are the times when instead of bringing people closer to the Lord, we are the ones who hinder other people closer to Him. These are the times when we are the source, we are the reasons that people commit sin. We are the reason that people are no longer closer to Him. Kana bitawng manguhit ka, unya ikay musugod og chismis, you are preventing people to be closer to the Lord. Kanang panahon nga magsikag panaway, magsikag panglibak, magsikag pangita og sayop, you are preventing people because of us, masuko man sila. Tungod nato, maglagot sila. In other words, because of us, people commit sin. And that's the sin of scandal. Hopefully, my dear brothers and sisters, we would be vigilant on the things that we say and do.